It's our 4th annual Employee Field and Fitness Day, and we are extremely excited. We have 1,200 registrants today, 1,200 employees that are signed up to come out and enjoy the day with us, and we have approximately 50 or more partners, both internal and external, that are here to showcase various aspects of well-being.
This is going to be a great day, lots and lots of activities. I personally am really excited about the tug of war. My team is right over here.
We have some fun activities like a tug of war competition, a healthy lunch for participants with a local partner, and we have fitness activities, classes, group fitness classes for example, and demonstrations. We have a rock wall, so we want to showcase all of the really interesting, fun ways that employees can take care of themselves.
We pulled in a lot of different kinds of health-related vendors that reach the 7 dimensions of wellness. We have anywhere from different health screenings, physical therapists. This year we brought in a lot of environmental groups.
So the mission of Live Well is to empower, educate, and engage employees, retirees, and their families. The goal is to help employees and their families be healthier and happier, and in turn help the county serve the public to the best of our ability and to hopefully lower healthcare costs in the process. We know that when employees are at their best, we are best able to serve the public and the residents of Fairfax County.